All right, let's talk about a skill that can literally transform your career. I'm talking about taking all that overwhelming data and turning it into clear, powerful stories that make people sit up and listen. So how do we do that?
Okay, let's just dive right in with a feeling I bet we've all had. You know the one? You're at your desk, staring at your screen, and you're not just looking at data, you are drowning in it. And you know what? It's a massive challenge that pretty much every professional is facing these days.
So, does this ring a bell? You've got these endless spreadsheets, tons of reports, all these databases, and it's all just this sea of numbers. And somehow you're the one who's supposed to magically pull some brilliant insight out of it all. It's just overwhelming, right?
And you know what happens when you got that much data coming at you? It leads to this really common problem: decision paralysis. I mean, when you can't see the patterns, when you can't find the story hidden in all those numbers, how are you supposed to make a confident, smart decision? It feels next to impossible. But what if there was a better way?
Well, this is where things get interesting, because the solution isn't about getting less data. Nope, it's about learning how to speak its language. It's about taking that chaos and transforming it into real clarity and actual insight. And the key to all of this is something called visual analytics. Now, let's be super clear here. This is not just about making pretty charts. Not at all. This is a really powerful process. We're talking about using highly interactive visuals to unlock the story that's hiding deep inside your data, and then making that story so clear that anyone can understand it. And the best part? You don't have to be some kind of coding genius to do this. We're going to equip you with two of the absolute best industry-leading tools out there: Power BI and Tableau. Seriously, just think of these as your new best friends, your personal toolkit for turning that data chaos into clean, compelling insights. So how exactly do you go from being totally overwhelmed by data to actually mastering it? Well, it happens over this amazing 2-day transformation. It's a journey we've designed to take you from feeling like a complete beginner to becoming a seriously confident data pro. Okay, so day 1. This is where we roll up our sleeves and really get our hands dirty. It's all about building those fundamental skills. You're going to learn how to confidently grab any data set, I don't care how messy it is, and start to shape it, clean it up, and get it ready for some real analysis.
First things first, you'll get comfortable with the tools, Power BI and Tableau. Then, we're jumping straight into the practical stuff, connecting to real-world data sources. After that, we tackle what is probably the most crucial step: cleaning up messy data. And by the end of the day, you'll be making that data work for you, using calculations to pull out those first really exciting insights.
All right, so once you've got that solid technical foundation from day 1, day 2 is where the magic really starts to happen. Seriously, this is the part where you stop just analyzing numbers and you start bringing them to life. This is when you become a data storyteller.
Yeah, this is the really fun, creative part. You'll master how to format your visualizations so they don't just look amazing, they actually communicate with purpose. You'll learn to build these incredible dynamic dashboards that let your audience actually explore the data right alongside you. And so importantly, you'll learn how to share these powerful stories in a way that drives real collaboration and real change. So let's fast forward. After these 2 days are over, what new skills are you actually walking away with? Let's talk about the specific, practical abilities you can start using at your job like the very next day.
I mean, this quote really says it all, doesn't it? You will be able to create compelling visualizations and reports which provide deep insights into your data. And let's be real, this isn't just about learning software. This is about gaining influence.
So what does that actually look like in practice? Well, you'll be the person who can use data to drive actual business decisions. You'll start to develop this critical eye where you're not just accepting data, you're questioning it. You'll be building visual stories that really persuade and inform people, and you'll have the confidence to tackle anything, from a simple spreadsheet all the way up to big data.
Okay, so at this point, you're probably asking yourself, is this course actually for me? Is it the right fit? That's a great question. Let's break down exactly who's going to get the most value out of this. You know, the amazing thing is that this skill is valuable for pretty much everyone. It doesn't matter if you're on the front lines, if you're a first-line manager, or middle management. Honestly, if you're anyone who has to look at data and then present it in a report, especially with big data, this course is designed specifically to empower you. So, it all comes down to this one simple question. Are you ready to finally stop drowning in data and start making it talk? Are you ready to be the person who transforms numbers into powerful narratives and turns insights into real, tangible impact?
because this is your chance. This is how you gain the one skill that truly defines the modern professional.